English Welsh past to be, I was.
Roeddwn I.
And more. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Quick roadmap today, you'll master the Welsh past of, to be, funny, fast, and friendly. We'll use all the stars.
Roeddwn I. Roeddet ti. Roedd e. Roedd hi. Roeddem ni. Roeddech chi. Roedden nhw.
Buckle up, yesterday is calling. Your forms today. Say them out loud with me, the rhythm will do half the work. I was.
Roeddwn I.
You were, sing, informal.
Roeddet ti.
He was.
Roedd e.
She was, it was.
Roedd hi.
We were.
Roeddem ni.
You were, formal, plural.
Roeddech chi.
They were.
Roedden nhw.
Pro tip. Welsh often softens in speech, but these full forms are perfect for clarity. Mini dialogues that stick. Listen, repeat, and smile, tiny scenes, big memory hooks. A. Why were you late? B.
Roeddwn I.
Stuck in traffic. A. Were you at the cinema? B. Yes.
Roeddet ti.
Right, I saw your message too. A. Where was Tom? B. I think.
Roedd e.
YNY Leafraggle, at the library. A. And Anna? B.
Roedd hi.
YNO or DDOE, it was cold, so she stayed in. A. Team check-in? B.
Roeddem ni.
Ready.
Roeddech chi.
Early.
Roedden nhw.
Still parking. Speed drills, call and response. I cue in English, you fire back in Welsh. Ready? Go. I was. Answer.
Roeddwn I.
You were, sing, informal. Answer.
Roeddet ti.
He was. Answer.
Roedd e.
She was. Answer.
Roedd hi.
It was cold. Answer.
Roedd hi.
E.g.
Roedd hi'n oer.
Closing parenthesis. We were. Answer.
Roeddem ni.
You were, formal, plural. Answer.
Roeddech chi.
They were. Answer.
Roedden nhw.
Culture Bite. Weather small talk win. Want to sound instantly Welsh? Talk about the weather like a pro. Yesterday's weather? Try.
Roedd hi.
In Braf DDOE, it was nice yesterday, or.
Roedd hi.
In BWRW GLAW, it was raining. Add a grin and a shrug, boom, local vibes unlocked. Comedy Corner. A tiny joke to glue the forms to your brain. A dinosaur late to a meeting says, roar eddwni. Yep, like.
roeddwn.
Your memory just chuckled. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal it. No pressure, just fun. 1. Fill it. Yesterday, we were tired. Blank. Answer.
roeddem ni.
2. You were amazing, to a crowd. Blank. Answer.
roeddech chi.
3. He was at home. Blank. Answer.
roedd e.
4. It was late. Blank. Answer.
roedd hi.
5. They were early. Blank. Answer.
roedden nhw.
6. You were at the cinema, to one friend. Blank. Answer.
roeddet ti.
7. I was happy. Blank. Answer.
roeddwn ni.
Story challenge. Repeat after me, short story, all forms inside. Big win in one go.
roeddwn ni.
YNHWYROND.
roeddet ti.
YN Ginner. YNY Tim.
roedd e.
YN Barada.
roedd hi.
YN Doll.
roeddem ni.
YNY Castell.
roeddech chi.
ARYBWS.
roedden nhw.
YNY Park. Urban DWED YDYDD.
roedd hi.
In HWYR, so we went home smiling. Wrap up and next steps. You did great. Lock it in with a quick daily recap tonight. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
roeddwn ni. roeddet ti. roedd e. roedd hi. roeddem ni. roeddech chi.
And,
roedden nhw.
in your own sentences. For more lessons, printables, and quizzes, visit www.synapse-lingo.com and come back tomorrow for more Welsh wins. HWYLMY Tro.